Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a mid-iron to feel compression more clearly. Get into stance with the ball just forward of center and feet shoulder width. This positions the low point correctly. Once set, place your hands slightly ahead of the ball so the shaft leans toward the target. This produces a descending blow. Practice half swings to groove the feel. Short reps build muscle memory quickly. Make sure to keep grip pressure relaxed, because tension robs clubhead speed and prevents true compression of the ball. Now you focus on the how. Rotate your hips through impact while keeping spine angle stable. This shifts weight and lets the club compress the ball. Once your downswing starts, strike down and through so the club compresses the ball against a shallow divot. That is the physical sensation of compression. Accelerate through the impact zone. Do not decelerate. As you repeat, monitor ball flight and turf pattern. Consistent thin divots indicate correct low point control and solid compression. Finish by holding your pose so you can evaluate balance and face orientation. Good compression shows a shallow divot starting just after the ball and a penetrating ball flight. If you get thin shots, make sure you shift weight to the front foot earlier and lower your hands slightly at impact to increase downward angle. If you hit fat shots, focus on leading with the hands and wrists so the clubhead meets the turf after compressing the ball. One troubleshooting tip: videotape 1-2 swings to spot early motion errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.